Welcome to the Travel Man channel, where every journey begins with curiosity, a camera, and a love for the wild side of travel. Welcome to Golitha Falls, a place hidden deep within the Cornish woodlands. As I fly over the woods, the sunlight breaks through the trees like golden arrows, and the air feels cooler, fresher, almost enchanted. Golitha Falls, a woodland haven on the banks of the River Fowey in Cornwall. This stretch of river winds through old oak and birch trees, mossy rocks, and deep green undergrowth, forming a series of cascades rather than one high waterfall. The name Golitha comes from the Cornish word for obstruction, reflecting how the water tumbles and presses through the rocks. The River Fowey begins high on Bodmin Moor, collects rainwater and streams, then cuts through granite and slate until it reaches these falls. Here the river descends about 90 meters through the woodland, creating constant movement, splashes, and hidden quiet pools. Because of this, the area is protected as a national nature reserve and lies within the Bodmin Moor area of outstanding natural beauty. Walking along the trail, you'll see how the woodland thrives. Over 100 species of mosses and nearly 50 kinds of lichens cover stone and tree alike. Wildflowers appear in spring, and wildlife such as otters, bats, and rare plants find refuge here. The falls carry a calm power. When the water is low, you can hear each stone as it turns beneath the surface. After rainfall, the river swells, carving through the woodland, making the cascades more dramatic and alive. There's also legend tied to this place. Some say that a Cornish king met his end near here, adding an old-world feel to the quiet trees and rushing water. Whatever the stories, the truth is that Golitha Falls invites you into its rhythm, walking slowly, listening to the river, reflecting in stillness. From the car park at Drains Bridge, you can follow marked routes into the heart of the reserve. The ground is uneven in places, and caution is wise near wet rocks, but the reward is in the stillness. As you pause next to the water and look upstream through the woodland, you realize that this place has been shaped by time, rock, water, and life, all working together. As the sound of the river surrounds me, I take a moment to set up my drone. It's always a challenge flying here, tall trees, twisting branches, and the water flowing quickly below. The drone glides between mossy trunks and over fallen branches, following the line of the river. From above, the cascades look even more beautiful, silver ribbons cutting through deep green woodland. I carefully navigate through narrow gaps, avoiding branches while trying to catch that perfect aerial view of the water weaving through the rocks. This is my favorite part, seeing nature from a new perspective while still feeling connected to it. Every flight here is a mix of focus, calm, and a little bit of adventure. Now walk with me as we follow the trails of Golitha Falls. The path here winds through ancient woodland, soft earth under our feet, covered in fallen leaves and moss that cushion every step. You'll hear the river in the distance at first, a gentle murmur, and with each step it grows louder, guiding us deeper into this peaceful sanctuary. The trail isn't always flat or smooth. Some parts are lined with tree roots that twist across the ground like nature's artwork. Other sections lead us over large, mossy rocks, each one damp from the mist of the waterfalls. We take it slow, one step at a time, breathing in the cool, fresh air. This place feels like natural oxygen therapy, every breath cleaner, every moment calmer. On either side, tall oak and beech trees rise above us, their branches forming a green ceiling that dances with the light whenever the wind passes through. Ferns blanket the forest floor, and patches of wildflowers peek through in between the rocks. The river, the Fowey, rushes beside us, crystal clear in some parts, white and foamy as it crashes over the falls. We stop for a moment on a large boulder near the water's edge. It's peaceful, untouched, and timeless. No city noise, no rush, just us, the sound of flowing water, birdsong, and the scent of pine and wet earth. As we continue along the path, wooden bridges take us across parts of the river. Some sections are narrow, others wide and open, but every corner reveals something new: hidden pools, twisted tree trunks, and sunlight breaking through the canopy in golden streaks. This is Golitha Falls at its best. A walk that doesn't just move your feet, but clears your mind. Nature here isn't just a view, it's something you feel with every breath. Now we're heading further up the trail, towards the top end of Golitha Falls. The path starts to climb gently, and the sound of the water changes from crashing falls to a softer, steady flow. The air feels cooler here, shaded by thicker trees and the slope of the land. You can glance back and catch glimpses of the waterfalls we passed, white water twisting through dark rocks, disappearing into the forest. There's a quietness here at the top. Fewer people reach this point, so all you hear is the soft sound of flowing water, birds calling from above, and leaves rustling in the wind. The river widens a little, peaceful and still, like it's gathering its strength before rushing down the falls again. We stop for a moment. Take a breath. You can feel how pure the air is, cold, refreshing, like nature's own therapy. Moss, ferns, and wild ivy cover the rocks around us. Tree branches lean over the river as if protecting it. This is the calm side of Golitha Falls, peaceful and full of life at the same time. That brings us to the end of our walk through Golitha Falls. From the gentle woodland paths to the rushing waterfalls, calm river pools to mossy rocks, this place is a reminder of how beautiful and healing nature can be. Thank you for staying with me through this journey. If you enjoyed this little adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Travel Man for more peaceful walks, hidden places, and breathtaking views from across the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep traveling, and I'll see you in the next adventure.